In just a few hours, the world is going to get very loud. Millions of people will sit down with pen and New Year resolutions list. They will list everything they want to fix about themselves, their health, their wealth, their career, their relationships. They will promise to work harder. They will vow to be better. And they will prepare for a 180-degree turn on January 1st. But we know the data, don't we? In fact, research shows that while 45% of people set resolutions, only about 8% actually stick to them by the end of the year. Most resolutions fail by February, not because we aren't capable, but because life gets messy, busy, and overwhelming, and our best intentions just fade. Mainly, this happens because resolutions rely on willpower. And in the world of neuroscience, we know that willpower is a finite resource. It's like a battery. Think about your day. By the time you have handled the morning rush, answered 50 emails, navigated traffic, and managed the emotional needs of your family, your battery isn't at 100% anymore. By 7 p.m., you are likely running on 1%. Now imagine trying to take a sharp turn, 180-degree turn with that 1% battery. Your mind, your energy, your motivation, it simply can't handle it. Sharp turns break more than they fix. At Next Gen Conscious Mind, we believe in smart resolutions, not huge unrealistic changes, but small strategic shifts that actually stick. Imagine you are a passenger on a plane flying from Los Angeles to New York. As the flight takes off, the pilot shifts the nose of the plane just by 3.5 degrees. As a passenger, you don't feel it. There is no turbulence, no sudden jerk. It feels like nothing is happening. But as you fly across the country, that tiny, invisible shift begins to add up. By the time you reach the East Coast, that 3.5-degree shift has landed you in Washington, D.C. instead of New York. A small, smart shift, not a sharp turn, not a crash course in being better. This is the kind of resolution that actually works. So, what does 3.5-degree shift look like in your real, messy, beautiful life? It's not about doing everything differently. It's about designing your life for more space. It's about tiny, real shifts, like moving your phone out of the bedroom so your background apps don't start running the second you wake up. Taking one 30-second pause, just one, on the driveway before you enter your home and switch from working mode to parent mode. Taking a deep breath in the middle of heated moment instead of automatic reaction. These shifts feel tiny, almost invisible at first. They might even feel like they aren't enough. But by end of the year, they change the entire destination of your energy, your mind, and your life. So this year, I invite you to skip the pressure, skip the 180-degree turn that break your spirit. Instead, make smart resolutions, small, gentle, real shifts that move you forward without overwhelming you. Because when you change your own heading, you change the energy of your entire home. The small shifts always lead to big change. Let's make this 2026 the year where we stop reacting and start flowing. Wishing you a very happy and mindful New Year.